Changing your primary email on Buzzsprout is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your email is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Buzzsprout website and log in using your current credentials. Make sure you have access to your account to proceed with the changes. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This can usually be found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Step 3. Select email preferences. In the account settings menu, look for the section labeled email preferences or similar. This is where you can manage your email addresses associated with your account. Step 4. Update your primary email. Find the option to change your primary email address. Enter your new email address in the designated field and ensure it is typed correctly to avoid any issues. Step 5. Save changes and verify. After entering your new email, save the changes. You may receive a verification email at your new address. Follow the instructions in that email to confirm the change. After completing these steps, your primary email on Buzzsprout should be successfully updated. Make sure to check your new email for any important notifications or confirmations.